Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm doing some really simple medium length coffin nails all in nude. I'm using my tried and true, my favorite nude acrylic cover blush by JC Beauty Concepts. It is so buttery and I don't know, it's so good. All the beads blend together seamlessly. It's just amazing. We were both gushing over this. I can never get over this acrylic. I just love it a lot. And I'm just applying that to all 10 nails. If you guys want to know more about my prep and file shaping and buffing, I'm gonna have those videos linked in the cards, the little eye in the top right. So basically after that, after application, I just file shape and buff, and we're gonna do 3 crystal Pixie nails, and I'm putting this on with IBD 5 seconds nail glue, and I just sprinkle it over the glue. Then I'll go in and fill in the missing areas by hand just so that everything looks uniform. I do top coat that crystal Pixie just to make sure that it lasts a really long time. This is not Swarovski crystal Pixie. This is actually from Amazon, so I'm gonna have a link down below. It's a really cute, affordable option, and I think it looks kind of the same to me. You guys can be the judge of that. Let me know what you think. So that's about it for these nails. If you guys enjoy this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching the video. I hope you guys have a really good day or night. I love y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye.